And the big storyline here is this is going to be.
And the big storyline here says Matt Vargo, the VP of Production and Marketing at Milwaukee Tools. And if the VP of Production could actually describe the new Milwaukee handles for the rolling packout as a big story, well, he knows what he's talking about. I can't argue that, you can argue that. And he's correct, because for the longest while, many individuals have been wondering why Milwaukee hasn't made an improvement to their handles. Well, wonder no more. All that has changed now. They've changed the wheels and now they've changed the handles. Check this out.
Below 20 inches tall when collapsed, so it's going to fit under a tonneau cover in your truck bed without having to remove the handle or deal with any other things like that.
Now, that was a very important point that Matt made, that you no longer have to remove your handles, because usually you had to do some sort of alteration to your rolling packout box so that you could fit it in your van below the tonneau cover or in your vehicle. For example, if you have a station wagon, there's a bar with a little tab that you pull and it covers it, and sometimes that bar actually hits that bar. So I think this was a brilliant move by Milwaukee here. Now, the new rolling box with the new handle will cost $159, and the handle by itself will be $59.97, and it will be actually 20 inches from the handle to the ground, which is sufficient for you to put it inside of your vehicle, as I will show in a later video how it will work. And a lot of people are excited about this, because most of the time you have to alter your toolbox by drilling into it. And here I actually took the time to actually measure it so that I could really convince myself, yeah, you know, it actually is really high. And it's only one day I was trying to put it in the back of my vehicle and it couldn't fit. And I just left it home, to be quite honest with you. I ended up putting it inside of the DeWalt, because the DeWalt actually had a feature where you could remove the handle. Now, but with this, Milwaukee is actually going to change how you use your rolling packout. So to me, that's why I think one of the best announcements, it wasn't the half-inch torque, it wasn't the new forged battery, it was the alteration to the existing rolling packout by changing the handles. They heard people's cries, they changed the wheels, and they heard further cries, and now they made the handles removable. I think it was a brilliant move by Milwaukee. So this is how it usually goes. You try to put your box in the back of the failure. And because of that, a lot of people had to do alterations to the existing packout. Now, I feel sorry for some of the companies like toolzreviews, who invented really brilliant ideas for you to remove your handle. But at the end of the day, nobody really wanted to drill into their packout. Now, this is a demonstration of how it's going to work now. You have a tonneau cover, and you simply just slide it in. Boom. Nice. Easy. Yeah, you can't vex with that. I just want to say that the footage that I got here is from the tool show, and they did an excellent coverage. You know, one day I hope that I will be able to be out there. I will be invited by Milwaukee Tools. Right now, I'm a small channel growing thanks to the 1,879 subscribers. But again, to me, the win for the 2023 Milwaukee pipeline was the rolling bin handle. I think that takes the cake. You know, so what's your thoughts? Do you think that's a win? So again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please put in a notification bell so that when I drop new videos, you can see it. And it also helps with the algorithm so that they can see more videos too. All right, so thanks. See you in the next video.